Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing BBQ Box. This is a monthly barbecue subscription box. Everything comes based around a recipe. What you get in every box is a recipe, a sauce, a marinade or rub, an edible like jerky or something like that, and then also a wood chip sample. Or if it's not for a smoker, like if it's for the barbecue, you'll get skewers or things like that that help you to create your meal. A preparation tool. This month, when you open the box, you can see they're $24.99 a month as well, just so you guys know. It's a great price, especially since it's curated, like, so you can create a recipe. All you have to do is go get your meat. So this month, it's barbecue plank salmon recipe, which actually sounds really good, and I'm probably going to make it. So it tells you what you need on the back here. Tells you the whole instructions really simply. 2 pounds of salmon, olive oil, and the stuff that's in this box: some lemon juice, minced dill, barbecue sauce, wine stock, or cider for soaking the planks. So I'm not going to peek too much here because it's going to give away some things. So we've got some of these wood planks. So I don't know if these are a certain brand. It doesn't say here. No, it doesn't say here what kind of wood planks these are. It just says barbecue planks. So these, you would put your salmon on these, so then when you take them off the grill, obviously they're not going to stick. You don't have to worry. I do know that there are ways, though, that you can put fish on the grill and not have it stick, but I've never actually had that happen for myself. All right. All right, so next we've got, let's go to our rub. So this is K&M BBQ all-purpose rub and marinade. One are dry rubs and marinade, add flavor, not fat. A rub is highly concentrated blend of herbs and spices applied to meat, fish, or poultry to accentuate the flavor when cooking. Tells you how to use it. Spices including chipotle pepper, salt, sugar, dehydrated garlic, natural smoke flavor, spice extractive, and not more than 2% calcium stearate added to prevent caking. So there's that. Then we've got 4 of these Carnivore Club elk stick. They're all elk. I've heard of Carnivore Club. Huh. So there's that. Those look delicious. We go to like a beef jerky place, and we always get, they have like exotic meat sticks. I always get one because I like to try the different ones. I know they're mixed, but I'll eat these. Yum, yum. All right. Finally, this actually looks really good because it looks like mustard. Is a white barbecue sauce. So what's in a white barbecue? This is from the same brand that made the rub. So we're pairing these together. And this is soybean oil, water, high fructose corn syrup, vinegar, egg, modified food starch, horseradish, egg yolk, salt, spice, natural flavor, paprika, garlic, onion, natural flavorings, dried. Oh, anything that has the little thing is dried. So I don't know what this is going to taste like, but it says you can use it on chicken, fish, pork, and wings. This is a huge 16-ounce bottle, so it will last us quite a while. That is everything that I received in my barbecue box for, I think this is July box. If you're interested in seeing the full review, I will link to that on my blog, as always, and I will also link to BBQ Box down below so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!